Hello mga KaMarksMan, it's me, Teacher Marks, and in this video, you will learn how to divide numbers using long division. So, without further ado, let's begin. First example, what is 148 divided by 4? Now, the number outside the division symbol is called the divisor. In this case, that is number 4. The divisor is the factor that divides the number inside the division symbol. Now, the number inside this division symbol is called the dividend. The dividend is a number that is divided by the divisor. Now, how can we solve this problem? First step, you need to get a number that is bigger than the divisor. Now, 1 is smaller than 4, so you need to use 14. Now, 14 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. Since there are 3 4s in 14. Next, you need to multiply this number 3 to your divisor. So 3 times 4, that is equal to 12. Next, you need to subtract this number 12 from number 14. So 14 minus 12, that is equal to 2. Now, 2 is smaller than 4, so you need to bring down the number 8. Next, you need to divide this number 28 to your divisor. So 28 divided by 4, that is equal to 7. Next, you need to multiply this number 7 to your divisor. So 7 times 4, that is equal to 28. Next step, let's subtract this number 28 from this 28. Since these two numbers are the same, the answer is automatically 0. So, the final answer is 37. And the result obtained by the division process is called the quotient. Next example, what is 259 divided by 5? So, the first step is you need to get a number from the dividend that is bigger to the divisor. Now, 2 is smaller than 5, so we need to use 25. Now, 25 divided by 5, that is equal to 5. Since there are 5 5s in 25. Next, you need to multiply this number 5 from your divisor. So 5 times 5, that is equal to 25. Next, you need to subtract this number 25. Now, 25 minus 25, that is 0. So you need to bring down this number 9. Next step, you need to divide this number 9 from your divisor. So 9 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. And then you need to multiply this number 1 to your divisor. So 1 times 5, that is equal to 5. And then you need to subtract this number 5. Now 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. Now, 4 is smaller than 5. And you don't have any number to bring down. So if that's the case, you can add 0 at the right of this number 9. But before you add 0, you need to put a decimal point first. And then you also need to put a decimal point at the top of it. Now, you can now add 0. Next step, bring down this 0. So this 4 becomes 40. And it's now bigger than 5. Now 40 divided by 5, that is equal to 8. Next, multiply this number 8 to your divisor. So 8 times 5, that is equal to 40. Next step, you need to subtract this number 40. Since these two numbers are the same, the answer is automatically 0. Therefore, 259 divided by 5 is equal to 51.8. Now, you can also use short division to answer this easily. I hope that's clear. Next example, what is 4,152 divided by 12? This time, we have a 4-digit dividend divided to a 2-digit divisor. So first step, you need to get a number from the dividend that is bigger than 12. Since 4 is smaller than 12, you need to use this number 41. Now 41 divided by 12, that is equal to 3. Next step, you need to multiply this number 3 to your divisor. So 3 times 12, that is equal to 36. Next, you need to subtract this number 36. Now 41 minus 36, that is equal to 5. Now, if you don't have any idea how to subtract numbers with regrouping, I created a video about that. You can click the video link in the comment section. Next step, since this number 5 is smaller than 12, you need to bring down the next number from your dividend, which is this number 5. Now 55 is now bigger than 12, so you can divide it. Now 55 divided by 12, that is equal to 4. Next step, you need to multiply this number 4 to your divisor. So 4 times 12, that is equal to 48. Next step, you need to subtract this number 48. So 55 minus 48, that is equal to 7. Now 7 is smaller than 12, so you need to bring down this number 2. Now 72 divided by 12, that is equal to 6. And then you need to multiply this number 6 to your divisor. So 6 times 12, that is equal to 72. Next, you need to subtract this number 72. Since these two numbers are the same, the answer is automatically 0. Since you end up with 0, and you don't have any number to bring down, the final answer or the quotient is 346. Therefore, 4,152 divided by 12 is equal to 346. I hope that's clear. Next example. What is 3,608 divided by 16? So first step, you need to get a number from the dividend that is bigger than 16. Since 3 is smaller than 16, you need to use this number 36. So 36 divided by 16, that is equal to 2. Next, you need to multiply this number 2 to your divisor. So 2 times 16, that is equal to 32. Next, you need to subtract this number 32. 36 minus 32, that is equal to 4. Since 4 is smaller than 16, you need to bring down another number from your dividend. So we need to bring down this 0. Now 40 is now bigger than 16, so we can divide it. 40 divided by 16, that is equal to 2. Since there are 2 16s in 40. Next step, you need to multiply this number 2 to your divisor. So 2 times 16, we know that is 32. And then, you need to subtract this number 32. 40 minus 32, that is equal to 8. Now 8 is smaller than 16, so you need to bring down another number from your dividend, which is this number 8. Now 88 is now bigger than 16, so you can now divide it. 88 divided by 16, that is equal to 5. Next step, you need to multiply this number 5 to your divisor. So 5 times 16, that is equal to 80. Next step, you need to subtract this number 80. 88 minus 80, that is equal to 8. Now, you don't have another number from the dividend that you can bring down. So you need to add 0 to your dividend. But first, you need to put a decimal point. And then you also need to put a decimal point directly above it. Now, you can now add 0 to your dividend. Next, bring down this 0. Now, this 8 becomes 80, and it's now bigger than 16. So, you can divide it. So, 80 divided by 16, that is equal to 5. Next, you need to multiply this number 5 to your divisor. 5 times 16, that is equal to 80. Next, you need to subtract this number 80. Since these two numbers are the same, the difference is automatically 0. Since you end up with 0 and you don't have another number from your dividend to bring down, the final answer is 225 and 5/10. Therefore, 3,608 divided by 16 is equal to 225 and 5/10. I hope that's clear. Next example. Here we have a 5-digit dividend divided to a 3-digit divisor. So just follow the steps that we did earlier. You need to get a number from the dividend that is bigger than your divisor. Now 6 or 62 is smaller than 134. So you need to use 628. So 628 divided by 134, that is equal to 4. Next, you need to multiply this number 4 to your divisor. So 4 times 134, that is equal to 536. Next, you need to subtract this 536. 628 minus 536, that is equal to 92. Now 92 is smaller than 134, so you need to bring down another number from your dividend, which is 4. Now 924 is now bigger than 134, so you can now divide it. So 924 divided by 134, that is equal to 6. Next, you need to multiply this number 6 to your divisor. So 6 times 134, that is equal to 804. Next, you need to subtract this 804. So 924 minus 804, that is equal to 120. Now 120 is smaller than 134. So you need to bring down another number from your dividend, which is this number 6. Now 1,206 is now bigger than 134. So you can now divide it. So 1,206 divided by 134, that is equal to 9. Next, you need to multiply this number 9 to your divisor. So 9 times 134, that is equal to 1,206. And then, you need to subtract this 1,206. Since these two numbers are the same, the difference is automatically 0. Since you end up with 0 and you don't have another number from your dividend to bring down, the final answer or the quotient is 469. Therefore, 62,846 divided by 134 is equal to 469. I hope that's clear. Anyway, please support me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube so that you are always updated with my new videos. Also, please like, comment, and share this video. If you truly understand this lesson, you can try to answer this one. You can type your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.